Hi there, Sir EJ here. This video is all about setting up your own G Suite account. Please do note that you must enroll your child first so that our IT department can register you to the school's domain. Once you were registered to our domain, you will then receive an email in the personal email address you have provided upon enrollment. In that email, your child's G Suite confirmation for online classes will be available. It will also have a link that will direct you to the Google sign-up page wherein you are tasked to change your password. Should you forget your password in the future, just contact our IT department. Also, please note that this confirmation link has a 48-hour expiration date. If you have not clicked the link within 48 hours, simply call the office and the IT department will assist you. You can log into your account at google.com. Simply open up your computer and click on your browser. Our recommended browser is Google Chrome since it is the most compatible for the Google apps. Once on Google, simply click on the Sign In button at the top right side corner of the screen. After clicking, you will be prompted to input your G Suite email address and password. Once logged in, you will be redirected back to google.com. So that's about it. You are now logged in to your G Suite account. Feel free to explore the Google apps on your own or watch our other video tutorials to learn more from us. Thank you and have an awesome day.